Hi, my friends, how are you? Welcome to this video, and this is a very important video, my friend. So please watch it carefully and listen to it carefully. Yes, my friend, my name is Pradeep Aggarwal. I'm learning hypnosis and teaching hypnosis and mind power techniques since 1972. Now, my friend, this is a very important lesson video here, so please watch it carefully. Nowadays, everybody talks about subconscious mind, and most of them they don't know about anything about subconscious mind. They know a little bit about it from ChatGPT and Google, but the real thing about subconscious mind which nobody talks about it, or if they talk about it a little bit, and which is the most important thing, my friend. Now, subconscious mind has many things, but I'm not going to talk to about those. I'm going to talk to you about only the most important thing which everybody neglect and which is the most important thing. That is the automation part of the subconscious mind. Remember, subconscious mind is automatic. Everything is programmed, is become automatic and effortless, like driving a vehicle, doing something else, like your habits. Everything is automatic. Right now, moving my hands. Am I moving my hand consciously? No. If I move consciously, I will not be able to move my hand, my mind. It's all unconscious. So remember, my friend, whatever you are doing right now, whatever things you are doing right now, whatever behavior, belief, and everything is there, everything is automated in your subconscious mind by doing something in the past. It's the past programming. And when it's become automatic, however hard you try to change it consciously, it becomes very difficult. All your habits, all your behaviors, all your beliefs, there are a lot of negative patterns, fear, phobias, everything is programmed and it's become automatic. We have no conscious control on that. Now, my friend, when we want to program our mind, there are many different kinds of methods available in the market. Some people teach you creative visualization. Now, my friend, it takes months to reprogram your mind. Self hypnosis, little shorter, but it still takes a lot of time to make changes. My friend, when a sportsman want to learn a skill, new skill, how many times he practice the skill to get programmed in the mind so it become automatic? You have no idea. More than 100,000 times. Now, my friend, subconscious mind is an automatic mind. So, talking about certain things we can do quickly, like hypnosis, NLP, certain changes we can do very fast and change the automatic part in your subconscious mind. But now, my friend, listen, my friend, carefully. You watch many videos on YouTube. You watch any nowadays. You have every day there are new coaches are coming in from nowhere. They are learning from the courses available right now. People are making people coaches by taking 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, and they have no idea the coaches what they are going to teach. So they pick up something from there and they talk about it. Now, the important thing about subconscious mind is it has lot. It is work. It is a 99.999%. People say 90%, 85%, 95%. It's wrong, my friend. I may be wrong also. It may be more than 90.999%. Subconscious mind is an automatic mind. You need to know how to change the automation quickly. Then only you can make changes. It's just by visualizing, practicing affirmations, it will work. It will take very long time. So that's why, my friend, I'm working on the subconscious mind since 1972. I work with the top level sportsmen. Now, when I work with the top level sportsmen, sometimes they are going and play a tournament, or just a few minutes before they start, they are into a negative state of mind, automatically triggered by something that might have happened in the past. They call me and I have to make changes in their brain and change and break that pattern and change a new pattern, add a new pattern. It, with my new technique and my experience, I have developed a technique called hidden resource activation. Plus, I have many more powerful technique like hypnotic magic questions, mind vastu stance. I make changes within a seconds and change the automation and install a new automation. And it is in such a way that the old negative programming doesn't work anymore until unless you change it again. Now, my friend, this is very important thing. Do you drive your car consciously? No. Do you drive or do certain things? If you are a sportsman, do you play a shot consciously? A batsman comes to bat on the crease, the ball is coming 150 kilometers speed, he doesn't know where the ball will land, what will be the swing, what will be the thing. Does he play the shot consciously? No. Everything is programmed in the past. Automation mind. You might have seen many players, they get out in a particular shot every time. Do they want to get out on that shot again? Do they want to play that kind of shot again? No. But why are they playing the same shot again and getting out? Because it is in the subconscious automatic mind. Unless we change it, it will not happen. Now the old methods take a very long time. My hidden resource activation technique can make changes in your brain in 9 seconds or less and permanently, my friend. That is the difference between the old technique and the latest technique, my friend. So remember, my friend, your conscious subconscious mind is the super powerful mind. It's the biggest computer we have and is connected with the universe mind. If we know how to instantly make changes, break the negative patterns and replace it with the positive pattern, whatever you want. If you have a negative belief, you want to do something, you're not able to do it. Now, by visualization, affirmations, you keep doing it. It may take 1 month, maybe 2 months, sometime instantly also, depend on the time to time. But with our technique, within the seconds you can change your belief. Because what we do, we remove the negative pattern and install a positive pattern. It takes how much time? Less than 9 seconds, my friend. Yes, my friend, less than 9 seconds if you know how to do it. So, my friend, be careful about people talking about subconscious mind, programming. They all using 100 years old method, visualizations, affirmations, hypnotic suggestions, slow suggestions. Work. It doesn't work, my friend, anymore. That time people had a time to waste time. We don't have a time nowadays. It is we need everything instantly. Am I right, my friend? So if you really want anything new, think about this what I told you. Look around it and think about how many things are automatically working, moving your head. If you're nodding your head like this, when you're listening to me, my friend, do you nod your head consciously? No. It's all automatic. See, when I say no, my head automatically move like this. Did I thought when I say no, I'll move my head like this? No, it's all automatic. Your breathing is automatic. Your habit patterns are automatic. Everything is automatic, my friend. Subconscious mind automatic. We think we do consciously. We do only very few things consciously. For example, I decided to go to my home now. Say I'm working and talking to my office. So I've decided to go to my office, my home. Who takes me to my home? My subconscious mind. The instruction goes there. Okay, want to go home? I will close this camera, switch off this camera, remove my mic, switch off my light in my office, come out of my office, lock the office, take a lift, go down, then go to my house and then take a lift and go up. Well, and everything is automatic. Everything is automatic. Sometime, it might have happened to you when you reach your home after closing your office or shop. Suddenly you hey, did I lock it properly? Because who locked it? Your subconscious mind. So consciously we are not aware of it. Many times it happened to you, some routine work we do, 5, 6 or 10 work we do together in a row. And after doing it, we remember we have not done it. Oh, I might have missed something. Then you check, you have already done it. It's all done by your subconscious mind. So my friend, subconscious mind, biggest thing and the most powerful thing is the automation. And nobody talks about automation. They talk about little bit about automation, like habits are programmed, this, but how it works? How can you change the automation? It's all there in your subconscious mind. If you are not getting success in your life, that means the automation is wrong in your subconscious mind. And you might have gone to many courses before, you might have attended many workshops, they might have given you some technique, you felt good for some time, because that is temporary. The old programming still there unless the automation you have changed, it will come back immediately. Am I right, my friend? So it's very, very important to change the automation part of the subconscious mind, replace it, remove the previous automation, replace it with the new powerful automation, so everything happen automatically. For example, if you have a fear of public speaking, why this happened? Either you might have seen somebody in the fear of public speaking, or you might have done some public speaking in the past, and after fear or anxiety or any kind of reason, you felt nervous. Now that has been programmed. So every time you go for public speech, automatically you feel nervous. Even you think about giving a public speech, automatically you feel shivering. Am I right? Fear. It is the automation part in your subconscious mind. Public speaking means become fearful. Public speaking means palpitation. Fear comes in. Automatic. And then people say, be relaxed, take a deep breath and give a speech. You may feel little better. But again, when you are there, it will again trigger. If you change it, the automation part, the next time when you think about giving a speech, you feel confident. You feel positive, you feel relaxed, you feel like you do it every day. That automation has to be changed. The previous programming has to be replaced with the positive programming. The older method, visualization, affirmation, self-hypnosis, NLP, any other kind of thing, it takes time. So that's my friend, with lot of my experience, lot of my working with the top level sportsmen and people, and working on myself, my friend, I have find out the very powerful thing. Your subconscious mind is so powerful. If you know exactly how to change it, you know what instruction correctly to be given, changes will happen instantly, and replace it with the positive thing. So that is where is my technique called hidden resource activism, which works on the automation part of your subconscious mind. Any technique which works, we can automate it instantly. That is the positive and powerful thing about our technique called hidden resource activation, called HRA. So my friend, be careful. If you want to spend a lot of time or money on going to the courses where they take 1 month, 2 months, and you practice, that also way to work. But if you want an instant and powerful technique in you, so any state of mind you want, you just need to press the correct button in your subconscious mind, use the correct word to your subconscious mind, it will happen instantly. If you want to be happy, you can feel happy right now. If you want to be confident, you can feel confident right now. That is the power of subconscious. All the things are there. Only thing you need to know how to tap into it. So, our hidden source activity technique is so powerful, my friend. Instantly you can activate whatever state of your mind, and then you need to learn how to use it and how to link it to the future situation, so that moment you are there, automatically you will feel whatever you want. This technique works in NLP also, but our hidden resource activation is 10 times more powerful than NLP or any kind of thing. I heal people, remove their fear and phobia, depression in one session. Now, it takes me only 3-4 minutes to do it, but I need to explain to them what we are going to do, and then the moment we do the process, it takes 2 or 3 minutes maximum, my friend, to remove the negative memory, remove fear, and then it is automated. Next time anything happens, you have to just say delete and it will be gone. So that is the power of your subconscious mind. If you know how to use the power of subconscious, you can achieve anything in your life. Now remember, power of subconscious mind, the most powerful thing is automation. Everything is automated in your subconscious mind. So my friend, if you really want to do it, be sure about using the power of your subconscious mind's automation part, which is the most powerful part, which everybody neglected. So my friend, if you really like this video, if you're watching this on YouTube, like, subscribe, or my mobile number will be there. If you really want to learn your subconscious mind automatic part, how to make everything is automatic you want to achieve in life, call us right now. Thank you very much and see you personally.